50 Cent reportedly mocked Diddy and Jay-Z, and sources say he's featuring Jay-Z in his upcoming Netflix docuseries *Diddy Do It*. The series, slated for release in early 2025, promises to unveil exclusive details about the connection between Jay-Z and Diddy. Reports suggest that both Diddy and Jay-Z are attempting to file cease and desist orders to block the series. 50 Cent's docuseries was first announced in December 2023, and according to insider reports, production is nearly complete. 50 Cent has stated that the series won't focus on current gossip, but will instead delve into the intricate workings of Diddy's alleged criminal enterprise. A statement released by Netflix reads, "This is a story with significant human impact. It is a complex narrative spanning decades, not just the headlines or clips seen so far. We remain steadfast in our commitment to giving a voice to the voiceless and presenting authentic and nuanced perspectives."
Speaking of, in particular, Netflix docuseries that you've been working on, Diddy Do It.
Right.
You've been saying for years that you feel you knew Diddy's character.
Right.
Yet you said you weren't a part of that lifestyle, you weren't going to the party. So what makes you so absolutely sure that these kinds of allegations that we've seen against him are true?
Well, I'm surprised by the allegations, as surprised as everyone else. Like, I didn't make the allegations, I didn't tell people to say these. It comes out, I see it in the news like everyone else. But I did feel uncomfortable with the way you represent the idea of going
To come party with me.
Yeah. And then that swayed me away from it that long.
So you didn't realize the...
Not too much. Stuff was coming like, I seen today, it was allegations of 3 men that said you drugged up. It's a long time, to be honest with you. Like, when people don't remember being violated for 20 years, it makes me feel a little odd.
What are your thoughts on the allegations against Jay-Z?
That was interesting. I was saying things not knowing exactly what I was saying. I was going with, like, where's Jay at? He's mad quiet. Like, while everything was going on. But it's obvious now that the team was being made aware that he was in those allegations also. You know, so I hope it works out, because with his family, the things that go on internally, those accusations are crazy.
Diddy and Jay-Z aren't the only ones who may face fallout when 50 Cent's docuseries is released. Beyoncé, who built her music career into a billion-dollar brand with Jay-Z's support, could also see her brand affected if Jay-Z's reputation takes a hit. This is reportedly one of the key reasons Beyoncé and Jay-Z are pushing back so strongly against any allegations involving him. They've witnessed how Diddy lost hundreds of millions of dollars due to the lawsuits filed against him, and are reportedly concerned they could face similar repercussions.
And you don't throw out allegations, but like, you kind of poke fun at them.
You just ask questions.
You're not worried that it comes back your way? Like, people dig up your past and try to pull stuff up?
I don't got shit in my past. I'm not.
Everybody got
I took a pill, but it was for me to perform better. For her to remember, buddy. I didn't give her a drink so she forget what the fuck happened. What the fuck is going on here, bro? I took two drinks. I didn't need to perform. So she can remember and possibly love me for that. It'll work. No problem. I'm doing pretty good. You said you're the opposite of normal shit we're talking about, bro. You can look at that and say the associations with Beyonce, when it started to receive with once again. Except in brand mistake, he's been with Beyonce. Right? And you go prior to that, one.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? So that came in association, like you see the kids have brand mistake. They don't sing yet. They don't sing. Right. They don't rap yet. They already have brand mistake. So it's like they just giving this trophy so we're sure that they're coming. To the award show. It meant that much to the culture.
On December 9, a civil lawsuit was filed against Jay-Z following months of speculation about his alleged connection to Diddy. The lawsuit and court documents reportedly revealed claims that Jay-Z was complicit in helping Diddy operate an international sex trafficking ring. The allegations include Jay-Z's involvement in the assault of a 13-year-old Jane Doe alongside scene Diddy Combs at an after-party following the MTV Video Music Awards in New York City. Additionally, reports suggest that 50 Cent's documentary includes details of hundreds more victims spanning several decades, shedding light on a much larger alleged network.
There's an accusation about Jay-Z and Diddy and a teenager, 13-year-old.
Right.
And we were speaking about just the statement. The statement, you were saying you felt like that was calculated.
That was that the statement is something from it was written by a lawyer, because there's a point where it kind of gets aggressive. He says you're gonna find out like how I'll handle this. Like, I mean, that's an attorney want to be combative with another attorney. That's not like a publicist would.
Right. This is on your
Put that out.
Yeah, this is on. Yeah, it says I don't know what's going on, but are we still going to have the Super Bowl? I'm just asking for a friend.
Yeah, I'm asking for kisses. You know, I'm just trying to figure out if we're still doing everything. Because look, they will fall back. They like the NFL. They won't necessarily be associated.
Right. Why do you not insert yourself, but you're on top of every topic? Right.
Yeah. I'm just watching. I'm participating. I'm being part of the culture. I'm just putting my opinion.
Right. Look, you're part of the culture.
Like I can't say anything now. I'm out of it. I'm like I'm going to Dre's studio and just sit with Dre.
Right.
And then maybe I stay out of trouble.
Nah.
After the lawsuit against Jay-Z was filed, he responded by suing both the alleged victim and her lawyer, seeking to have the trial dismissed. Jay-Z has claimed that the allegations are false and that he is being blackmailed. However, Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that the case would proceed to trial, rejecting Jay-Z's request for dismissal. The judge reportedly stated that Jay-Z's efforts to undermine the case were futile and characterized them as a waste of time.
And a federal judge has ruled the woman alleging she was raped by Jay-Z and Sean Diddy Combs can remain anonymous. The woman says both men raped her at a party when she was 13 years old. Jay-Z's legal team had fought to get the case dismissed, arguing his accuser should have to reveal her name. The judge disagreed. ABC's Morgan Norwood has the latest.
A legal victory for the woman who is suing Jay-Z for allegedly raping her when she was 13. Federal judge ruling the woman can proceed with the case while remaining anonymous, at least for now. But the judge also chastising the lawyers representing Jay-Z.
Times when someone is accused of a crime like this, the accuser doesn't want to be named, and if they are forced to be named, we have seen certain people decide to drop the lawsuit altogether.
In a significant legal victory for the woman suing Jay-Z for allegedly assaulting her when she was 13, a federal judge has ruled that she can proceed with the case while remaining anonymous, at least for now. The judge also criticized Jay-Z's legal team for their aggressive tactics, which included repeatedly filing motions to reveal the identity of Jane Doe and to have the case dismissed. In a 5-page brief, the judge condemned the lawyers for using combative motions containing inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks, calling their approach inappropriate, a waste of judicial resources, and a tactic unlikely to benefit their client. The court emphasized it would not fast-track the judicial process simply because Jay-Z's legal team demanded it. This development follows a civil lawsuit filed by Jane Doe, who alleges that Jay-Z, whose real name is Sean Carter, and P. Diddy drugged and assaulted her at an afterparty following the 2000 MTV Video Music Awards. While an unnamed celebrity allegedly witnessed the incident, Jay-Z has vehemently denied all allegations, labeling them as a blackmail attempt. In a statement released 2 weeks ago, the rapper and business mogul, who was 30 at the time of the alleged incident, dismissed the claims. His attorneys have pointed to supposed inconsistencies in Jane Doe's account in their defense.
Jay-Z, the artist, the businessman. Well, the complaint begins. Defendant Sean Combs, along with his longtime friend and collaborator, Sean Carter, drugged and raped a 13-year-old girl at an after-party following the 2000 Video Music Awards. Another celebrity stood by and watched as Combs and Carter took turns assaulting the minor. Many others were present at the after-party but did nothing to stop the assault. Combs had been allowed for years to conduct himself in this manner without any consequences. He believes he is above the law. He is not. His close friend Sean Carter has been with Combs during many such instances described herein. Both perpetrators must face justice. So that seems to suggest that Sean Carter, Jay-Z, was not only present or participated in this alleged, what is essentially a crime, but for other instances. And that's really interesting. That's why I bring up this idea of, could he be hit with more lawsuits if you take these allegations as true?
The judge ruled that while Jane Doe can remain anonymous for now, she may be required to reveal her identity at a later stage of the legal process. This would allow Jay-Z's lawyers to gather the facts necessary to adequately prepare for trial.
Inside the building, plaintiff recognized many celebrities as she entered what appeared to be a large living room or foyer containing a large crowd. Plaintiff attempted to mingle in the crowd and talk to several of the celebrities that she recognized and whom she wanted to see at the VMAs. Waitstaff circulated throughout the room, carrying trays of drinks, and loud music played throughout the venue. Plaintiff observed widespread drug use, including marijuana and cocaine. After attempting to talk to numerous celebrities, plaintiff accepted a drink from one of the waitresses, circulating the crowd. The drink was a reddish-yellow mixture that tasted like orange juice, cranberry juice, and something bitter.
Interestingly, Beyoncé might also be implicated in Jay-Z's lawsuit. The victim's statement references an unnamed female celebrity who was allegedly present during the assault and did nothing to intervene. Reports suggest this celebrity could be Beyoncé. Additionally, other victims have claimed to have seen both Jay-Z and Beyoncé at Diddy's infamous freak-off parties, further linking them to the allegations. If these claims hold weight, it could lead to significant developments, including potential arrests, as the case unfolds.